Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to update Intel UHD graphic driver on Windows 11 or 10. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, just go to Start menu and just right click on the Start menu and you will get an option called a Device Manager. So just click the Device Manager. Device Manager will anchor all kind of devices inbuilt in your systems. So what you have to do here, simple and easiest way I just want to share with you. So here there will be a lot of drivers will be available over here. So there will be a display adapter will be there. As you see here, just click the button display adapter. There will be Intel UHD graphics. So this is a graphics which will be used for the gaming and all kind of video purpose, everything. So you need to update this one. What you have to do here, just right click on that and update driver. So just click the update driver. So once you click update driver, search automatically for the device from the internet. So just click here for the search automatically. The best device will be already installed in your laptop or desktop will be displayed over here. So now I just want to know if I just want to update this driver, it's not properly working for my laptop or desktop. So what I have to do here, so I just give the link in your description. So just click the link that will direct you to the intel.com for the support this list of drivers in Intel graphics. So you just identify this is the graphics model. So just scroll down, you will get a Windows 11, 10 and 8 and 7. So I am using currently in Windows 11. So just click the Windows 11 option. There will be a drivers option will be available. So there are the drivers in Intel Arc and Intel 7th generation and graphics Windows, and everything will be there. So you just choose what are the things you want. Intel products with the 64 GB operating system or any types of operating system you just want to give that. So I just want to download a graphic drivers for my processor in a latest version, so which is given from the latest version. Have given the link for the latest version. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Intel 7th generation 10th generation processor things. So you have the graphic drivers over here with the Windows 11 and 10 as I mentioned in the title. So just download this one so that it is easy to install your GFX, that is graphic drivers. So within a second my laptop will be adding a Windows graphics with the latest version. So now I can download, I can install the Intel drivers so that I can work for my gaming purpose or any types of purpose. I can use this one to install and use my graphics with the pure and easy hand. If you like this tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.